When does a joke turn into a dad joke? When it becomes apparent. What did the grape do when he got stepped on? He let out a little whine. Why did the scarecrow keep getting promoted? Because he was outstanding in his field. What do you call a shoe made out of a banana? A slipper. What do you call a cheese that isn't yours? Nacho cheese. My daughter said the other day, "You haven't listened to one word that I've said." And I thought to myself, that's an odd way to start a conversation. I've got a great joke about construction, but I'm still working on it. Why do melons get married? Because they can't elope. Door's locked.